Are you tired of yellow teeth but don't want to spend money on whitening strips or harsh chemical treatments? Here's a simple, natural method that really works. And it's something I use every single day. Believe it or not, my teeth are white, and I've never used any of those expensive treatments. So, what's the secret? It's all about one simple habit I do daily: oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient practice that supports oral health. And as a bonus, it also whitens your teeth naturally. Here's how to do it. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can also use olive oil, but coconut oil works best for me. Swish it around your mouth, especially around the front of your teeth. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. Then spit it out. Don't swallow it. That's it. It's like using mouthwash, but with natural oil. I usually do this once a day at night after brushing and flossing. If your teeth are really yellow, you can do it twice a day, morning and night, until you start seeing results. Once your teeth begin to whiten, doing it once a day is enough. It's quick, natural, and it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.